Hoy estamos en Epcot y muchas personas se preguntan si este parque vale la pena visitarlo. Así que yo me di la tarea de crear una serie un poco detallada de Epcot. Esta vez vamos a explorar The Land Pavilion y ver qué encontramos. Quédate conmigo para entrar a la atracción de SOARIN y claro está el paseo en bote de Living with the Land, que es el favorito de muchos. Y por favor, suscríbete a este canal para que veas cada detalle de Epcot y otros parques que les estoy preparando. Continuemos. Una vez entras, vas a ver que aquí está el restaurante GARDEN GRILL. Este es un restaurante estilo familiar que cuenta con una vista rotante muy única. Sí, el centro del restaurante rota, permitiendo que disfrutes de diferentes vistas. Y mientras disfrutas de tu comida, podrás conocer personajes de Disney que visitan las mesas. A nuestra izquierda podemos ver SOARIN Around the World, en el primer nivel. Vamos para allá en unos momentos. Y a la derecha, la entrada a Living with the Land, que visitaremos al salir de SOARIN. En el segundo nivel vemos Awesome Planet. Es un documental basado en el planeta Tierra y los ecosistemas que hay en él. Supongo que los niños más grandes lo encontrarán interesante. Y nosotros, los niños de corazón, encontramos una oportunidad para descansar nuestros pies y escapar del calor. Ahora, sin más espera, y para los que están aquí, para las atracciones, vamos a disfrutar de SOARIN. ¿Están listos para volar?
Tights. Keep your hands around the inside at all times. Yeah. Have a nice one. Soar the tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Me gusta mucho Soarin', es muy relajante para mí. Y ahora vamos a Living with the Land.
Beginning in the cycle of life. Beneath the surface of the land, roots are drawn water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of life on our planet. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich in productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other plants essential to our lives. In the desert, nature has created a very different, no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that will one day become home to the American farm. Of all the forces at work on the land, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Here in Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators like ladybugs and wasps to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without the use of chemical materials into the soil. We can make farmland more fertile and cultivate
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. People living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. One day, many Many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world. When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish. But fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect natural resources. Plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grain, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. These plants are definitely on water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests, like unconventional pesticides, we're growing these crops using our nutrient film system. This technique precisely controls and recycles water and nutrients. Been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here at the future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture. The fish provide a natural water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, Epcot scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects.
¿Qué opinan? Espero que todos hayan disfrutado nuestra aventura del día de hoy. Por favor, suscríbanse para ver más y díganme en los comentarios qué les gustó más y qué más les gustaría ver.